That's my local AI, running on my computer at home, and I'm using it from my phone. Now, Ollama is great. If you watched episode 1, you already have it running. But here's the problem. It's stuck on one machine. The second you walk away from that computer, you lose access. Open WebUI fixes that. It gives your local AI a real interface, one you can reach from your phone, your tablet, any device in your house, without sending anything to the internet. I'll show you how to set it up. It takes about 5 minutes. And stick around, because at the end, I'm going to show you something that honestly surprised me the first time I saw it work. Here's a simple way to think about it. Ollama is the engine. It's doing all the hard work under the hood. But right now, the only door into it is a terminal window or a basic desktop app. Open WebUI is the cockpit. It wraps that same engine in a proper interface, chat history, file uploads, model switching, and it makes it available across your whole home network, like a private website only you can access. You already built the engine in episode 1. Today, we're putting the dashboard on it. 3 steps. That's it. Step 1. Make sure Ollama's running. Step 2. Run one command. Step 3. Open your browser. We're done. Step 1. Open your terminal and type Ollama list. If you see a model in that list, you're good. Skip ahead. If you're getting an error, you need to install Ollama first. I made a whole video on that. It's in the description, first link. Watch that, come back, and we're good to go. Got it? Good. You're already halfway there. Now let's get that cockpit installed, and keep an eye out for that thing I mentioned. Step 2. Open WebUI has over 50,000 GitHub stars. A lot of people are running this exact setup right now. Here's the command that gets you in. We're using Docker. Now, I'm not going to go deep on Docker here, because I've put together a separate video that covers it properly. Link is in the description. For now, just think of it like a shipping container for the app. Everything it needs is packed inside, and it runs the same way on any computer. Mac, Windows, Linux, doesn't matter. If you don't have it installed yet, grab it from that video first, then come back here. Copy this from the description. Don't try to type it out. Open your terminal by pressing the Windows plus R key on your keyboard. Then type CMD and press enter. Paste the command and hit enter. On my computer, I get this error. The container name Open WebUI is already in use by container. That is because I already downloaded the container. For you, believe me, it's going to work. Don't worry about the rest of it. All this command does is pull the app, set the port, and make sure it starts automatically. That's it. You'll see it start downloading. Give it a minute or two. While that's downloading, I'll tell you why I actually switched to this setup. I was pasting work documents into ChatGPT, client stuff, internal notes, and one day I just thought, where is this actually going? Who's reading it? That was enough for me. I wanted the same experience, but nothing leaving my machine. This was the answer. And in a couple of minutes, I'm going to show you something with this setup I genuinely didn't think was possible. Stay with me. Step 2 is done. Just one more step to go. Step 3. Open any browser and go to localhost 3000. There it is. All 3 steps. Done. It's going to ask you to create an account. Don't worry. This is completely local. Nothing goes online. Just pick any email and a password. Hit sign up, and you're in. Pick your model from the drop-down up top, and just ask it something. Something real. Your hardware, your network, no one else's server. Okay, here's the thing I mentioned. Everything we just did works perfectly on your home Wi-Fi. But what if you're not home? Watch, that's my AI on my computer at home, from my phone, on mobile data. The app that makes that possible is called Tailscale. It's free, takes about 10 minutes to set up, and it's getting its own video because it genuinely deserves one. Give me one more minute. There's a feature in here that most people who install this never find. And it's honestly the thing that makes this more useful than ChatGPT for a lot of people. First, conversation history, synced across every device. Start a chat on your laptop, pick it up on your phone. It's all right here. Second, model switching. If you've got multiple models downloaded, you can swap between them right from the top. Same conversation, different AI. And third, document upload. Drop any PDF, any text file, any document right into the chat and ask it questions about it. Your contracts, your meeting notes, your research. Your AI reads it and answers you privately. Nothing gets uploaded anywhere. You've now got something most people don't. A private AI that works on every device in your house, reads your documents, and costs nothing to run. But here's the thing. The model you're running right now might not be the right one for what you actually need. Next video, I'm going to show you exactly which model to pick and why. Because choosing the wrong one is like buying a sports car and only ever driving it in first gear. Subscribe so you don't miss it.